guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided I wanted to go ahead and create this bright eye look with some of the eyeshadows that I purchased from AliExpress, and I really like how it came out. So of course, before I get started on this look, I have to do a pre-beat dance. Well, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start like I always do with my eyebrows. And I am actually using the Maybelline Master Precise Skinny Eyebrow Pencil. And this is in the color Sharp Brown. So I'm just using that, and I'm also using some of my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn to clean up the rest of my eyebrows. I'm also using the LA Girl Pro Conceal to set my eyelids before I start this look. And I'm going to go ahead and use my e.l.f. translucent powder to set that concealer on my lid. I'm placing these shadow shields, and they're really funny to me. They're actually more of a distraction. So I'm going to go ahead into this Beauty Glazed palette, and this palette is called the Purple palette, and I'm starting off with this color Taupe, which is a really light tan color. Next, I'm going to go ahead in with the color Plum, which is this light purple or lilac shade. And I'm placing that all over my lid. And lastly, I'm going into this color Purple, and I'm going to place that in the crease of my eyelid and blend it into that lilac shade. Now I'm going to use my Coastal Scents Camouflage palette, and I'm using one of the lighter shades just to go ahead and cut my crease. I'm going to create this look by setting this base down before I place my shadows. Now I'm using some of these eyeshadows I purchased, and this one is by Foera, and it's in the color 124 Provence, and it's a really pretty lilac shade as well. And I'm using that in the center of my cut crease, and I'm wetting my brush. Next, I'm going in with this other shade, which is the shade Salmon. It's a nice orange shade, and I'm placing that on the inner portion of my cut crease. But I'm also going to go in with another shade just in the very inner portion of my eyelid, and this is in the color Daisy, which is a really pretty bright yellow golden color. So I'm just using that right there in my tear duct. Next, I'm going to go ahead and move on to my face, and I'm going to start out with this Dr. Brandt Lubinizer Primer. Using that all over my face, and I'm going to do some color correcting today also. So I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Orange just to color correct around my mouth and under my eyes. And today I'm using my Maybelline. This is the Full Coverage 24-Hour foundation in the color Mocha. And so I'm just using this as my foundation shade today. I'm going to use my ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and this is in the color Deep Tan. And I'm just highlighting my normal areas under my eyes, forehead, nose, mouth, and chin. And I'm using one of my oval brushes just to kind of blend that out. I noticed that I like using these brushes better for my blending concealer and foundation. They work really nicely. So I'm using my favorite contour stick today, and this is my Espresso contour stick from Fenty Beauty, and just using that to contour my face, add a little dimension to my face as well. The powder that I'm going to use for my highlighted areas is this Collab powder, and this is in the shade Almond Caramel. So this is a loose powder by Collab, and the color is Almond Caramel, and I really love it. It's very, very nice powder. Now I'm going in with my Fit Me, my regular pressed powder that I place all over my face, and this is the color 360. Now moving back to the eyes, I'm going to use my Maybelline Color Tattoo, and this one is Dramatic Black, but I'm using that as just a eyeliner in the outer corner of my eyes. I'm placing a little bit more of that lilac eyeshadow on the bottom of my lash line, and I'm going to go in with this Tarteist mascara to use on my lashes. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use my Milani Make It Last setting spray, and I'm going to spray my face before I move on to my highlighter. And for highlighter today, I'm going to be using this Beauty Glazed palette, and this highlighter is in the color Banana Split. It's a very nice, soft, golden highlighter, and I really like it. It's pretty nice. Next, I'm going to go ahead and complete this look by finishing my lips. And this lip liner is by a company called Me Now Generation 2. And this is a super matte high precision lip liner, and this is in the color P103. I'm also going in with some of my AliExpress lipstick by the company Nice Face. And this is in the color Buster. So this is the final look that I came up with. I really like this look. It's a bright eye with a nude lip, and just kind of keeping it light and simple today with the gold highlight. But I really hope you guys like this look. I really appreciate you guys watching, all the support, and until we meet again, until next time, thank you guys for watching. Toodles!